Hello everyone, welcome to week 8. So we're already in term 4, week 8, but there are still lots of things happening. So as you can tell, when we filmed this, it was Culture Day, and I just want to reference that I'm wearing the badge of Arsenal Football Club as they're a huge part of British culture. So on our Wednesday of week 8, we have our grade 7 fashion show in Ciputra Hall. Our Wastra Nusantara is going to be fantastic. Thursday, something everyone across the continuum is going to be happy about. It's a holiday for the Ascension of Christ. On Friday in the high school, we have our performance of our high school production Aladdin. At the elementary school, we have our elementary assembly for the term, and we also have the closing of our Ride 50 challenge. So well done to everyone who took part in that. So term 4, week 8, make it a great week. Thanks.